Open your setting app. Then scroll down. Open apps option. Now app manager. Search Google. Now storage option. Clear cache and clear data. Now tap on allow all permissions. Okay, restart your phone. Now open your Google Chrome.